Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to run hardware diagnostics in Chrome OS. There's a lot of reasons why you might have to do this, and the most common being verifying battery deterioration. It also tests for failing SSDs and hard drives as well as bad RAM. So let's get started. The first step is to boot into Chrome OS as any user. You can even log in as guest if you're doing this on someone else's computer. The next step is to hit Control, Alt, and T, which should open the crash command line. Crash or Chrome Shell is a shell environment built into Chrome OS, so you won't be downloading any additional software. You don't even need to be connected to the internet to run this tool. So the first command to run is storage test 1. This is kind of like a smart function test for SSDs and hard drives. It's not compatible with eMMC memory, and will display an error stating this feature is not supported. The next command, storage test 2, is a complete read test for your storage, and is compatible with eMMC as well as any other type. If there are any errors or bad blocks, you'll see them in the end result when it completes. Memory test is the next command I'd run, and this is the most time-consuming one. It's basically the same as running memtest on a Windows or Linux machine. This is a complete comprehensive RAM test. The final and most important test, battery test 1. You should run this test while disconnected from your charger. You'll get a result showing remaining battery percentage as well as battery health percentage. There is a more comprehensive test that you can run simply by running the same command without the 1. This will default to a 300-second discharge test verifying that the battery isn't draining prematurely. As an IT professional, I use Crash and these diagnostics regularly to verify hardware failures, and it's proven to be very effective.